In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a voiceover to a video in Canva. You don't need Canva Pro for this. All you need is the basic version of Canva. So I already have my video footage. All I need to do is to add my voiceover over it. So I'll click on video. I don't think this is the layout I wanted. No, I'll go back. I want a video in normal version, normal layout, 1920 by 1080. This is what I'm looking for. So I have my video footage and here it is. I'll go to uploads, videos, and this is my footage. So this is my footage here. And if I play it, you see it's totally numb. There is no sound on it. So what I can do is I'll come back to my audios. I've already uploaded. This is a text-to-speech video, audio recording, which I did using 11 Labs. I'm going to show you how to do that in another tutorial. And if I play this here, you can hear it. I can increase the volume here so you hear that better. I'll play that again. All right, so I'm going to click and add that. So immediately I click, you see it's added there. Let's say if I wanted to add it around, let me start playing this video again. Okay, if I wanted the sound, this voiceover to start around here, I would drag this, I would drag it till it comes around there. I'll just add some other pages here. Let's say I wanted this voiceover to start maybe around when the lady is approaching the road. I'll come here, I'll click on play. Yeah, so around here, I'll bring the voiceover to that point. And if all right, I could just drag this back to the beginning there. And then when it plays, you see for the first few seconds, it's numb, it's totally mute until around the point where this lady reaches around here, then the voiceover starts. Let's do that again. All right, so we could also work on this audio. We can click on it and we could use some fading. I'll click on fade rather. So there will be a fade in and a fade out. So the fade in for the first 2 seconds and then the fade out for the last 2 seconds. So you see for the first 2 seconds, it's going to start at a very mild volume and then it's going to increase to the normal volume. And then the last 2 seconds is going to drop within 2 seconds. If you don't know, my name is all right, so you could notice that how the feed works. So what we could also do is that if we have the pro version, we can enhance the voice, but I'm not going to do that for now. Now, the second way to add voiceovers, I can right click this and delete track. You can also duplicate it as you saw there. I'll just undo that. You can duplicate it. I will duplicate so you can have it on the other end. So if you have another track, let's say like a sound effect, which something like this, and you wanted to add it here, you could add it to play under this one. It's like a background sound which plays while this one plays. So if I play this, you can hear. No, not this. I want to use something like a soundtrack. Here, this particular one. There's one motivational here somewhere. Okay, here it is. All right, I want to add this here, but I don't want it to be, you see, automatically aligns under these particular ones, under these other soundtracks. I could also bring this one, this particular soundtrack. If I choose, I could bring it under here, could bring it under this particular one. But I'm going to leave it there for now. Next thing I want to do is to show you how to record your own voice. I'll delete all of these. I'll delete this track, and delete this track. Now let's see, I wanted to record my own voice as my voiceover. So I'll click on record yourself, and it's automatically detected my microphone. So I'm going to see. So now I'll start, and it says, this is just a tutorial on how to use voiceovers in Canva. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please just make sure to like this video. And that's it. We're done. So I'll save and exit. I will delete these extra pages. Delete these extra pages. Now, I'll delete these ones too. Delete and delete. Okay, if I start from the beginning. So you see, it automatically adds this voiceover. Let's say if I click on this again, I will delete it from here. I'll delete it from here. I'll bring it down to the track. I'll just delete it. I'll say delete frame, and I play again. What I can do now, oh, actually it recorded as a video. I will go back to audio, and I want to record myself. I'm going to go back here. Since I'm on the audio tab right now, I'm going to click on record yourself. And then this is going to record an audio now. I'll click on record. This is now the audio I wanted to record. The previous one, I mistakenly recorded a video, of which I was supposed to put on my camera. So this is now an audio. I should have recognized it from here. So we are done. All right. All right. So what I'm going to do is that I'm simply going to send this one backward. Send backward. So you're still going to hear the sound, but you are not going to see anything on top of here. So and you see it automatically extends the clip. It duplicates the clip. You can cut the clip wherever your voiceover ends. All right. So even the sound, it duplicates. So I'll just drag this and bring it this here. And you can do that until you get the final cut. So you can continue to do this until you get it in its perfect form and shape. That is exactly how you can add voiceovers to videos in Canva. You can either add pre-recorded voiceovers, or you can record your own voiceovers and add them to your Canva designs. So if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.